नाज़रीन आगे बढ़ते हैं। कहते हैं टैलेंट किसी उम्र का मोहताज नहीं होता और ऐसा ही कर दिखाया है पुणे के हाजिक काजी ने, जिसकी उम्र महज 12 बरस की है और अपने टैलेंट के दम पर शहर का नाम रोशन कर दिया है। हाजिक काजी ने एक ऐसे जहाज का डिजाइन तैयार किया है जो समंदर में आलूदगी को कम करने में मददगार साबित होगा। हाजिक का कहना है कि समंदर में आलूदगी को लेकर बनी एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री से मुतासिर होकर यह कदम उठाया गया है।
Hazik is generally a curious learner because he is a combination of brains plus values, I would say, because he's very empathetic towards the environment and the society generally. So even in classrooms or even his academic behavior is very value based, I would say. If he finds anything which needs his concern, needs him to pay attention to details, he's I would say like if he finds a problem in the school campus, he would not leave it at that point. He will mainly try to find a solution to it. So he's a solution driven child. I feel proud of him obviously for the achievement he has done. I also have a lot of expectations from him going forward because he is someone I think I wouldn't limit his understanding and knowledge to what he has already achieved. I would say he would see greater limits with the kind of thought process he has. He's a critical thinker, so I look forward for many success for him.
So I had first watched some documentaries and realized the impact it has on marine life. So I thought that I have to do something about this because there's a lot of waste that is in the ocean and it's affecting marine life. And if we don't do anything about it soon, it's going to affect my generation and the next generation. Also, we sometimes eat fish, right? So that plastic is ultimately coming back to us. So that will harm us in huge ways. Well, I have no words to express the way they have helped me because it was huge, enormous. They helped me a lot. They had connected me with a lot of people. I was really fortunate to have my parents and my brother. Very, very fortunate.
Actually, बहुत इंटरेस्टेड है वीडियोस देखने में, जैसे नेशनल ज्योग्राफी है, डिस्कवरी है, तो ये पहले से देखता है। तो एक बार वो ऐसे ही देखते हुए डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज वो देख रहा था, स्कूल में भी उनको दिखाया गया था। तो उस टाइम उसको बहुत बुरा लगा ये देख के कि किस तरह से प्लास्टिक की वजह से जो मरीन लाइफ है वो अफेक्ट हो रही है और वो कैसे फिशेस, बर्ड्स वो कैसे मर रहे हैं। तो उसको बहुत ये लगा कि मैं कुछ इसके लिए करूं। आई फील वेरी हैप्पी ऑब्वियसली, इज हैप्पी, एक्साइटेड, and we pray that he succeed in what he do, because this thing is something he love, and he himself says I want to do something what I love, I want to do. So we feel very happy about it.